Hey you guys, welcome back to Dollies and Toys. Today, you guys, we have the Crazy Lady action figure. With this action figure, you guys, you get an illustrated window box, six looking crazy cats, and a hard vinyl crazy lady. You guys, let's get a close up. So this is what the box looks like. And then you got a little cat on the roof. You got a cat coming out the side of the house. You got some wild cats just laying around, all up in the garbage can. And you guys, if you are a cat lover, here goes some questionnaires to answer. Are you a crazy cat person? Take the quiz, and then you have some questions to answer. So let's do one or two of them. Do you get excited when you hear a can opener? What? Do you think cats are smarter than people? Answer some of those questions, and then right here, this is what the box looks like with the crazy cat lady. So let's open up the box. Because y'all know normally I would unbox it already, but I wanted to show y'all what the box looks like. So right here, you guys, this is the crazy lady's house with all these cats hanging around. So right here, you guys, you get this crazy looking cat lady. I thought this was very interesting looking, you guys. You have the cat around the neck. You have a cat in her robe. And she can move her arms and her elbows. Okay. Wearing some blue pajamas. She also bends at the knees. And she has this crazy look to her. Look at that. Look at that cat, y'all. She actually stands up. Now let's get a look at these cats. So this first black and white cat, look how this cat is looking. I mean, this cat has green eyeballs. Okay, so that's one of them. Now the next one is this gray cat, looking like a little mice. These are some crazy looking cats, y'all. Okay, so now let's get to the third cat. Now this one lays down, but again has this little crazy look. Now the fourth cat, look at this fourth cat, you guys. Has like a little yellow streak. So that's number 4. Let's get to this one. Ooh, look at this one, y'all. Now this one looks like he's ready to scratch. Now I had cats before that I adopted, but these right here looking crazy. Okay, and the last one, it wouldn't be complete without the black cat. Now this black cat has green eyes also, and this little straight tail. So that's the crazy lady. Now let's see how the crazy lady looks inside her box. You might not want to throw the box away. So that's how the crazy lady looks inside the box. And then it came with this little fake stand. But yeah, y'all, this is the crazy lady and all her little crazy cats. Let me give y'all a close-up of this box. Look at the crazy lady in that picture, y'all. Got one cat scratching the couch. And look at this one up on the mantle. Child. So this is the crazy lady. I seen this, I was like, I need to get a close-up of this. But yeah, y'all. I want to come on really quickly and show y'all the look on this crazy lady's face. Ugh. She has seen better days, honey. Anywho, child. I've seen some other people on here. There's some different ones on here on YouTube. Y'all can check out. Just type in the crazy lady and you'll see another crazy lady on there. But yeah, you guys, definitely want to come on real quick and show y'all this. But thank you all. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for helping this channel grow. And tune back in to Dollies and Toys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.